Hey there, welcome back to Wireless Solutions, where tech tips are simple and fun. In this video, I will show you how to close apps on iPhone in just a few easy steps. Here's what we will cover. Step 1. Open the app switcher. Step 2. Close a single app. Step 3. Close multiple apps at once. Let us get started. Step 1. Open the app switcher. On your iPhone, swipe up from the bottom of the screen and pause in the middle. This will open the app switcher, showing all the apps currently running on your device. Step 2. Close a single app. To close an app, simply swipe it upward of the screen. That app is now closed. You can repeat this process for every app you want to close. Step 3. Close multiple apps at once. If you want to close multiple apps faster, you can use 3 fingers to swipe multiple apps upward simultaneously. Keep going until all apps you want closed are gone. Once there are no more apps left in the app switcher, that means all your open apps have been successfully closed. And that's it. You have now learned how to close all open apps on your iPhone. And hey, for disclaimer purposes, this video is for educational purposes only. The methods shown are based on standard iPhone features. Please use caution when following these steps, as results may vary depending on your iPhone model and iOS version. Wireless Solutions is not affiliated with Apple Company and is not responsible for any issues that may occur from following this tutorial. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more quick iPhone tips. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Bye for now.